Understanding Order a Pizza, a simple guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase, order a pizza. This phrase is a great example of everyday English, and understanding it can help you in various situations. So, let's dive in and learn together. When we say, order a pizza, we are talking about the process of requesting a pizza from a restaurant or pizza place. This usually involves choosing the type of pizza you want and then making a request, either by phone, online, or in person, for that pizza to be made and delivered or prepared for pickup. 1. Decide where to order. First, choose a pizza restaurant. You can do this by looking online, asking for recommendations, or selecting one you already know. 2. Choose your pizza. Look at the menu and decide what type of pizza you want. Consider the size, crust type, and toppings. 3. Place your order. You can order by calling, using an app, or visiting the restaurant. Clearly state your pizza choice, size, and any special requests. 4. Provide delivery information. If you want the pizza delivered, give your address and any necessary details like your phone number. 5. Payment. Be ready to pay either at the time of ordering or upon delivery. Payment can be made by cash, credit card, or sometimes through an app. At home. Ordering a pizza for a relaxed dinner at home or for a party. At work. Arranging a lunch for a meeting or a casual office event. Social gatherings. When you're with friends and decide to have a quick and enjoyable meal. I'd like to order a large pepperoni pizza, please. Can I have a vegetarian pizza with extra cheese? How long will the delivery take? Is it possible to pay with a credit card? We hope this video helps you understand how to order a pizza in English. It's a practical phrase that can be used in many everyday situations. Remember, practicing these phrases can help you become more confident in your English speaking skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.